If you or someone you know struggles with the panic attacks or an acute anxiety attacks, then this video will provide you with the practical tips on how to handle those intense moments of stress. Hi, I'm Dr. Pavana, Psychiatrist from Akshay Medical Center. I am child and adolescent therapist and also sexual medicine practitioner. Panic attacks can be overwhelming and frightening, but knowing how to manage them can make a significant difference. And let me tell you some effective techniques on how to handle these anxiety during those panic attacks. Firstly, it's crucial to recognize the symptoms of panic attacks. And these can include a racing heart rate. First step is to understand these symptoms are not dangerous and these are definitely not life-threatening. And one of the most effective techniques to manage the panic attack is deep breathing. Here is a simple exercise. Shift your focus to breathing instead of your bodily sensations. Like inhale deeply through your nose, count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 4, then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Another helpful strategy is what we call as a grounding technique. And this involves focusing on the present moment to distract your mind from a panic symptoms. Try the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique. Like 5 things what you can see around. It can be anything from your pen to your pen stand or a TV, or it can be anything. 4 things that you can touch or feel, from your hair to clothes to your desk. 3 things that you can hear, 2 things that you can smell, and 1 thing that you can taste. And this technique can help you to create a calming environment. If possible, find a quiet and a comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Reducing these external stimuli can help you to feel more at ease. And remember, during a panic attack, it's common to have a negative thoughts or catastrophic thoughts. Challenge these thoughts by asking yourself, is this thoughts based on facts? What evidence do I have that this will actually happen? What's the worst that could happen to me? And how likely it is? And rationalizing your thoughts can reduce the fear of anxiety, what you're experiencing. Progressive muscle relaxation is another technique. Like start by tensing your muscles, different parts of the muscles, and slowly releasing each muscle groups in your body. Starting from your toes and working up to your head, these will help to release those physical tension of your muscles and promotes relaxation. And finally, don't hesitate to seek support. Talk to a trusted friend or a family member or a mental health professional. Sometimes just sharing these kind of thoughts or experiences, what you're going through, can provide a comfort and reassurance. And remember, while panic attacks can be very intense, they are very temporary. And with the right strategies, you can actually manage them effectively. If you find that panic attacks are affecting your daily life, it's important to seek a professional help. And if you find this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe, and also share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you all.